Welcome back, everyone, to the Crypto Mo Show and XRP family. If you are with me, hit that like button. We're bringing in some overtime here. I just discussed in the main channel what happened today. I want to focus on XRP. I bought a boatload today. And we're going to go over the hour, the 4 hour, then we're going to look at the daily candle on this thing. Man, it's just pure fire out there. And that's the idea of what I'd like to do. We're going to see the portfolio as well. We're going to look at a lot of different things. Now, before I do, I had a lot of you join yesterday and take advantage of this. Today's the last day. I'm giving a free 3-day pass, a 72-hour pass into the Discord. I live trade today. It was 3-0, undefeated once again, just like last week. Just crushing it. If you are interested in that, first link down below, click it. Come on over here and do the earner tier. It's the one that gives you access to the expert traders, myself, the portfolio, the 36 learning lessons, live stream, teaching, trading, all of it. If you just want the lessons, they're over here, but everything is in here. Thousands and thousands of members over here. Take advantage of it. This is it. After today, I'm done with this. I wanted to try it because there's a lot of you said I always wanted to see inside before I buy or anything. This is your opportunity. Last day, folks. There you go. And of course, for those who have not done the webinar, that is ready to go as well. There is no cost for this. It's an hour of me teaching. That's what you do. You get in there and you learn and you earn. 4-step framework for successful technical analysis. Boom. And of course, I do got the Moo opportunity down below. They got their whole promo here. That you have to use my link right here for that. So all 3 links right there. Now, let's get into it. Let's dig right into it. I ended up, as you guys can see, let's see how this thing updates now. By the end of the day, we were down 88 bucks. So I'm not losing sleep over that. That's over here at Coinbase. I go into the main portfolio, down $900. It's the first time I've seen red in this portfolio overall in a long time. Yeah, so is that a sign of bad things to come? Maybe. 2231, we're at 2434, so up 203,000 in the last, let's say, 7 or 8 weeks. So I'm doing very, very well. I'm actively trading it. I'm going to try to push this higher. But the big thing I wanted to talk about today is what did I buy? Right there, XRPI. I ended up loading up a ton, about 50K. So I took this position up. A normal position for me is 100K. So I'm getting closer to a normal position. I wanted to talk about the whys behind the moves I made, all right? So I'm not going to talk about Ethereum in this video. I want to talk about XRP. I want to look at all the different things that I've been kind of watching. So with XRP right now, what you got going on is it's teasing us, man. We're going to find out if this thing is going to do, I keep doing the same thing, guys. We're going to find out if this thing is going to do what I need it to do or not. The RSI down here is now at 51, broke above. I was looking for a confirmation. I took a little chance, added on the weakness today. I think we're going to break back up. Even if we do bounce down, I'm going to play my own chart, which gave me the green right here, the go ahead. I added on today. We'll see if we can run up or if we do push back down. I'm okay with this. This is the daily. I'm looking for October to be a monster month. I'm continuing my DCA. Remember, at one point, I had a lot more than what you see in there right now. So I would say I need to triple that position to get to where I need to be. For those asking, that's what I just told you. So I'm about 33% in of what I would like to have. The charts will dictate that. If it does drop down, obviously, that's no fun. I am expecting a little bit of maybe a test of the 50 EMA, which the 50 EMA right now, well, I can't even read this thing, 291, we're at 295, so it's not that much, 4 cents. The 5's coming up. If we get a green candle tomorrow to push above 3, it's going to be beautiful, and it should be a good setup for more running as we go forward. So now, as you can see, we've been slowly working our way up. I'm in the buying state. Doesn't mean we can't drop down. There's still the same issues I talked about, but the charts, I let them lead me. Once we got back above, I told you, if we got back above the 50 EMA, I'm going to get aggressive. I'm getting aggressive. I keep my word on what I'm doing. Now, if it does come back down underneath the 50 and we start going underneath the 13 and confirming, well, that could reverse everything. And yes, I am willing to actively trade, take quick losses, and get set up for the big bang. And that's what we're waiting on. Now, if we go into the hour candles, Let's go to the 4-hour candle first. So the 4-hour candle had a nice little run today. And of course, now we're consolidating. So you guys will hear me talk about like Stockmo unicorns. And a Stockmo unicorn is where you have this really nice run and then you have a consolidation phase. All right, on the 4-hour candles, you're seeing that consolidation phase. Now, what I'm waiting for is the break. That is the next step higher. So that would play nicely with my daily candles that we were looking at, because the daily candle, obviously a little bit of consolidation today compared to the last few days. And if I get that consolidation turning into a nice green candle, that goes well with the 4-hour candle. So look at the 4-hour candles. Nice run up, little consolidation. We're right at the 13 EMA. And if we start to bounce over the next few candles where that gets me exactly what I just been telling you, a nice run above that $3 mark. The $3 mark is what, 5 cents up? We could do that. It's only 2%. We will see how it goes. Remember, announcements for XRP spot ETFs are going to come hot and furious, hopefully, in October. If not, September. You never know. It could happen in September. There's a lot of things happening out there in terms of what's going on. Even looking at this, let's take a look at this. I always like looking at Poly Market. What are the odds right now? 94% chance they have. 94% chance that we'll have that spot ETF in 2025. Obviously, I'm very, very pro. I was pro that back when it was at 50. And now it's got to the point that everybody's excited. They're happy. That, you know, they can see the writing on the wall. And we'll go from there. Now, there's no guarantees, but I feel like that's something that we can kind of bank on. It's not if, but when. They got to cross the T's, dot those I's, and we're set to go. What I'm looking for now over the next few candles, we definitely want to hold on the 4-hour candles. We want to hold this right here. We want to hold the 13. So what we're looking for is a bounce up off of this. We hit it, bounced up to the 5, pushed back down. We need a break. We don't want the 5 to come down, because then all of a sudden we get into some issues here. So if we go to the 1-hour candle, as I told you we'd do, we want to have strength there as well. So that one's a little bit different. That dropped down below the 5 and the 13, which we don't want to do, but we have to hold the 50 EMA. If we lose this is the leader for this. This is what we don't want to do. That could get ugly for everything else. This is also setting up, as you can see, where we got this Stockmo unicorn, boom, blew it up. Then it came back down, teasing the 50 EMA. And at this point, we have to be patient, because the hour will give you an idea. As long as we can keep this 50 EMA and start to push back up, have a reversal, and we get that 5 crossing back over the 13, we're good. It kind of all starts with the lower candles and it works its way up to the bigger ones. That's what I'm kind of looking at. If we go to the weekly chart on this thing now, because as I've been telling you, I'm getting in there, what are you starting to see? Well, hopefully you guys see the same thing I see, because I'm taking some risks. But what we had is we got up here a double crust. Normally we'll come down and test between the 50 and the 61.8, which we just did. Now this candle, and I told you this candle would most likely be green. It is green. So once again, nailed it. And now we're coming back up to the 5. We take out the 5. Basically what we're wanting to take out is the $3, man. We take out $3, it's beautiful. And we get a confirmation weekly candle, it's even more beautiful. I like what I'm seeing. Thus why I did the big purchase today. I think it was like 50K into this to take it, 50 something K, to take it up to 65K. I'm up a whopping $27. Solana, I'm up $100, down 2,200 and something on the Ethereum. That's okay. All of this is okay. Remember, we made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands. I think like over $300,000 on all the crypto and everything else I've been doing. So now you guys have a really good update of what is happening over here with the portfolio, with the XRP news, and that weekly candle. If we get that $3 and take that out, I feel really bullish on this. What we need is a confirmation candle, of course. So close above 3, get the confirmation candle. It should be off to new highs. If we don't get that, it could be more consolidation sideways, still waiting for October, November. the news to come out. But I think the big money will start moving in ahead of time. But we'll wait. I'm cautiously optimistic on what I'm seeing. Let me know what you think down below. Now, if you haven't done it, last day to take advantage of this to get the free 3 days in there. First link down below. Get the 72-hour pass into the StockMo Earner Discord today and check it out. We got some good things going on in there. I know we had a lot of winners in there. I love it. Luca in the house. Crystal in the house. Yeah, straight winning, Crystal. Love seeing it. I got my win in there. I had a nice little win there, right? There you go, 20K. That was something I shared on YouTube too. So you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, get in there. Yeah, Swisher Sweets in the house, P the Don, tons of people in here sharing their wins. Iron Pony, we got the Dr. Known, a lot of people. So folks, if you're not in here, take advantage of that first link. Get over here with this. Second link does get you into the webinar. That's an hour long. It's great learning. You learn and then you earn. That's what it's about. And then, of course, the Moo promotion. That is the third link down there. All right, that's what I got for you today. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.